Hey guys, what is up? RedPandaMining here. How you guys all doing? I hope you're all doing really well and having a really great day. In this video, I'm going to start cleaning up my room here, and it's time. It's time I start getting rid of a lot of stuff, and I just have crap all over the floor, and I just really need to clean up this place before it gets worse and worse and worse. And I keep on procrastinating, and it's quite a mess right now. I told you guys in another video a couple weeks ago that I have a life-changing event, so I really need to get my act together. I need to get my life together and just get this place all cleaned up. And what I mentioned before is that I'm going to be moving most of my stuff here to my second mining location. And as well as my grow tent, I'm going to just tear it all down. And yeah, I'm going to bring all my piping and stuff to my second mining location. I'm not necessarily going to use this stuff at my second mining location. Maybe until the summer comes. Maybe that'll be another project. But for now, I am keeping my rigs here in my condo for now. Okay, so I'm going to have everything turned off in a second here. I already have my 12 by P104 rig off and my RX570 rig off at the moment. I just need to turn these two off, and then I'm going to take everything out. I'm probably going to move it outside here, and then I have to dismantle my grow tent, and then I'll bring everything to my second mining location, as well as my other stuff. Everything on my shelf has to go. Everything on my floors have to go. It's just a mess. I have crap everywhere. My desks are messy. I have GPUs laying around. I just feel like I let myself go these past couple months, and I haven't been proactive in keeping myself everything organized and clean and stuff. Yeah, so no excuses though. No excuses. I'm going to start cleaning it all up now. And as well, I have these two GPUs here which I have to ship out. And it's been about 2 to 3 weeks now since my 10K giveaway. So I promised that I would sign it. I got a gold pen or silver pen. I'm going to sign these cards and ship them off to the winners. So congrats to you guys. I'm sorry that I'm so late. I've just been, no excuse. It's coming to you guys soon. So hopefully the Christmas shipping stuff shouldn't be too busy anymore as Christmas is over. So in the next week or so, I'll be shipping these out to you guys. All right, I don't even know where to begin. I'm just going to turn off everything and get my life together. I just feel like I need to just clear out everything in this room because I'll have to do it eventually in the next 5 to 6 months. So I better do it now as it's Christmas holidays and I have a lot of downtime. I can do this now and get rid of everything. So I'm going to begin first probably with my grow tent. I'm going to take all the mining rigs out. I'm going to try to montage all this stuff and see if you guys enjoy it. But I'll see you when this whole place is empty. All right, let's go.
Thoughts get thrown around, but we keep going on believing, and on till we're all cried out, 'cause we don't feel like throwing it all away. We don't feel like it. This time it's not about escaping. We don't feel like it. We don't feel like it. Cause we don't feel like throwing it all away. it's not about escaping. We don't feel like it. We don't feel like it. Cause we don't feel like throwing it all away. We don't feel like it.
I'm so relieved that my room here is finally all cleaned up. I've been doing this all day. I recorded some of it. You guys may have saw the little montage I did earlier, taking everything down, taking the grow tent down, which used to be sitting right here. The grow tent used to be right here. And I had a bunch of extra parts and fans and inline fans and boxes everywhere. Even underneath here was a lot of stuff, and now it's all gone. I vacuumed everything, vacuumed the whole floor, and I am just so relieved. It feels so clean in here, so much room. I've been wanting to do this for a while now, like maybe a month or so. So there were parts where I saw dust where I'm sure I haven't touched it for like a year, cleaned up this place for like a year. There is just lots of dust, and man, this place was pretty dirty. And I got rid of a lot of garbage, a lot of old stuff actually, and like even back here, you know, there was like a centimeter of dust back here because I've never touched it for a long time. And because it was also behind my grow tent that I never bothered to vacuum back there before. But this feels so different. Let me know what you guys think. I'm so happy. Well, I'm actually not happy that my grow tent is gone and my mining rigs have to be off. I'm not even gonna show you guys the carnage outside of my condo right now. There are a lot of mining rigs and boxes and garbage and stuff out that door right now. I'm not even going to show you that. I'm going to eventually bring that all to my second mining location, except for the mining rigs. I'm actually going to put them here. I'm going to put them back. Yeah, I did mention that before because I don't need to get rid of everything now, my mining rigs yet. So I still have, you know, half a year, 5 months or so. And you guys may have seen the network cable that I have sitting here. So what I'm going to do with this is I'm going to put a little switch here and I'll put my PDU. Okay, my 30 amp PDU, which I had sitting here. I had the triplet PDU sitting right there. And then I'm gonna put my mining rigs on the floor here and just run them. And yeah, so hopefully it won't get too hot in here, but it's winter time right now, so it's really cold. I can still run some stuff. So man, I just feel like there's so much space in here now. I love it. I love it. I love it. I may enjoy this for another day, and then I'll make a video putting my mining rigs back here and all that good stuff. I'll just show you guys, you know, eventually, like I said before, I have to get out of this room. So eventually in the next 4 months, I have to get rid of everything, the tables, the shelf, and this room's gonna turn into something else. And I will have another vlog on where I'll be moving inside of my condo. So I have another place I'm going to be moving to. It's obviously going to be a lot smaller. I'm going to have very limited room. I won't be able to use this desk. I'm going to be using this desk. My PC that I have here will be on this desk in another location in my condo. So I'll be working in a smaller area, and that's probably not going to be as fun. Have to do it anyway. Anyways, you guys can see, man, I had my webcams here. I had to take these down. You know, usually you guys can see that I was watching my mining rig here, my test bench, and then I had another webcam looking at this power meter here that SpaceGoat78 sent me actually. Thank you, SpaceGoats. And I'm mining CCX on this rig right now, if you guys are wondering, and I'll have another video on the Radeon 5700 XT, you know, different hash rates right now, because there are a bunch of algorithms out for this generation of card. And yeah, I'll have an update video on this real soon for you guys. Yeah, mining Conceal CCX, really good power consumption, 130 watts. I think I'm getting about 25 or 3,000 hashes per second mining CCX. I think it's the most profitable on this card at the moment. But yeah, and then what else can I show you guys? Yeah, I had my I cleaned up my area. I'm so happy. My computer, I had a lot of dust back there and everything. It was so gross, but everything's been vacuumed. I wiped everything down. I just feel so fresh. Actually, my wife just gave me something. Look at this thing. She gave me this she bought it on Etsy or something just to congratulate me on my 10K subscribers. So thank you for my wife giving this to me. This is pretty cute. I don't know where I'm gonna put it, but that's something I'll appreciate, put somewhere. And then my shelf, yep, like I mentioned before, I had to get rid of everything, but I still have everything here, which will eventually go to my second mining location. And yeah, I just look at these boxes. Radeon 7, I love these boxes so much. I love these cards. You guys know this one, I have the Sapphire Radeon 7. This is currently, I'm doing profitability video on this every month. You guys know, at the end of every month. And then this Radeon 7, the 50th anniversary, which you guys just saw in the video yesterday. So that was pretty cool. And then I have my 5700 XT box. Love this card. I love AMD cards, don't you guys? Even though right now it doesn't seem to be like they're really profitable, the Nvidia cards are definitely a lot better and efficient at the moment. Anyways, guys, that's all I wanted to do today. Man, this was a lot of work. I feel so relieved, but I'm gonna go relax now, and actually I may have to clean up outside because there's a lot of stuff. My wife won't be too happy, so anyways, my friends, I will see you in the next video. Let me know what you think. I appreciate all of you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a good one, and peace out.
We both have thoughts of leaving when thoughts get thrown around, but we keep going on believing, and on till we're all cried out, 'cause we don't feel like throwing it